Hello everyone, my name is Athrav Huse. I have completed my bachelor's degree from Priyadarshini College of Engineering in the field of information technology. During pursuing my graduation, I came across various fields and technologies where I can pursue and start my career. So I came to know about data science and machine learning. During my graduation days, I was doing different projects related to web development, making websites using Django, Flask, HTML, and other projects also. So while doing these projects, I came across data science and started researching about it. I started studying about it, like how to pursue it and how to do it. So it was one of, and during my graduation days also, it was one of hot trend in the market. So that's why I chose data analysis as a main profession. Since I wanted to do and pursue my career in data analytics, so I started searching for different institutes and online courses. So there were many online courses, but they were costly and the duration was also very long. And there were different institutes, but they were out of the Nagpur city, so I could not travel out of Nagpur during my graduation. So I looked on social media sites like LinkedIn and Instagram. So I came across Python Academy, which was which was one of the best institute in Nagpur. So I talked with the manager and gained all the information regarding the course in data analytics, and it was I liked the course, and that's why I enrolled in it. The journey at Python Academy was a very good experience. So it all started with a basic Python, and it was a complete. I started with Python, and then it all went ahead with SQL and different libraries which are used in Python and data analytics, like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. And then I also did some projects related to data analytics, and there were also many different assignments related to Python, SQL, and data analytics, like how to handle the data, how to filter it, what is pre-processing. So, and then after completing my project, I also did some projects based on Kaggle datasets, which was very helpful for me to gain more knowledge in the field of data analytics. Through Python Academy, I got multiple job opportunities, and I gave interviews in different companies. And after that, after giving some interviews, I gained pretty much confidence, like how to give answers related to Python and SQL, and questions regarding data science and machine learning. And then recently, I got placed in a company which is based in Mumbai, with a package of 3 lakh per annum, and I have started my job in that company. My advice is to all the data aspirants is that to mainly focus on Python and SQL, get a strong command on these two languages, and you can also study R language also, which is very much used in data analytics, and do as much projects as you can, pick up data sets from Kaggle and different and from different like GitHub, and do as much as projects as you can, and have patience. I also got my job after 5th or 6th interview, and keep working, and do join academy. It pays, it gives a lot of experience and provides different assignments, so you can gain much more knowledge in data analytics.